Let's do a battery swap for this particular watch, which is the module 1330 or the model LQ139. Let's do a quick recap on Casio module systems. So basically in the box is the module and the model number follows through. And to find the right strap or the battery, always Google for both of them. So for this particular one, let's open up the back case. And for this model, the back case is just clipped on, so we don't need to open it using any screwdrivers. We can use this back case opener. I did a short review on my YouTube shorts about $5 watch tools, and you can check it out. So basically using this, just pry open the back case by just popping off the back case like this. You can use knife or screwdriver, but we might accidentally scratch the surface or cut ourselves. After taking off the case, make sure that you check on the O-ring, which is this particular black rubber piece. That is to make sure that water and moisture doesn't get into the watch module. With that popped out, let's check on the battery. Yep, it's just one particular battery and it's held down by this tiny screw and a lever. So the battery is actually this one, SR626SW. I just got it very cheaply online. Now using a tiny screwdriver, micro screwdriver, remove this particular screw. Be very careful because it's very small, and just pop that out. And after that, gently lift out the lever that is holding the battery in place. So with that, we pop the battery out. Let's remove one of these new batteries from its packaging and then gently slide it in place. Make sure that the orientation is correct with the positive side facing upwards. Gently push the battery down under the lever and then add on the screw, and we can screw it back on. Well, use a tweezer like myself if it's too small for us to handle it. With the battery and screw now in place, just bring over the O-ring. Make sure that it's sitting properly in the channel. That will be helping to keep water and moisture out. With that out, gently put back the case. Lock in the bottom part first before we click on the top part. And with that in place, just visually check to make sure that we don't accidentally pinch the O-ring. And pulling up the crown, we can easily set the time to the right time. For analog watches, always adjust the clock clockwise to protect the motor. And with that, press the crown down and we have successfully changed the battery and set the time on this particular watch. For other watches and other fixed hack DIY, check out our channel. Thank you.